friends, this is Varves and I welcome to all of you on my page Global Studies Aspirants, and today we have very important news for you friends. And here we have the news that actually our Indian Army right now has decided that they are gonna include the electric vehicles in the army. Actually all the army stations across the India, they are gonna install these electronic made vehicles. Fine. Actually so here why our army is taking this initiative? Actually friends, you must have thought about it. You must have realized that there is a conditions. Actually there is a threat worldwide. You must have observed friends, that is global warming and climate change. So that's why our army is taking some initiative as per the global warming perspective, and that's why they have decided that they are gonna use the electric vehicles further. Fine. So this is the news. I'm gonna let you know friends. Just a moment here, you can listen it carefully. Actually here, as per the news friends, the 12 lakh strong Indian Army now plans to go green. That's why they have decided that they should go green wherever operationally possible. Fine. Actually apart from this friends, the force is fine-tuning a roadmap. Actually they have decided, they have prepared a roadmap. That's why they are using this, and they are using right now limited number. Fine. They have decided they are gonna use it in limited number. Fine. And further they will gonna increase it slowly, right? And apart from this introduction of e-vehicles, that means electronic vehicles, will be discussed during the General Narwane. General Narwane is a chief, army chief you can call. You understood very well friends. So here there are some meetings that is gonna take place on between 18 April to 22 April, and these are the meetings which finally as per their motive friends, in addition to the operational situation. Actually why are they organizing this kind of meetings? Friends, actually the main motive behind these meetings, that's they wanna bolster our infrastructural build up. Fine. They want to develop our infrastructure, build up infrastructure near the border areas like LAC and LOC, and further they wanna make capability development, right? They want to develop capability, they want to strengthen our capacity and our capability both. Fine. And these are the area. Actually just a moment, I'm gonna give you a complete detail here. Actually friends, if you have heard about, we have the 3488 kilometer line of actual control. Fine. Line of actual control with China, and that's why in the backdrop of the almost 2-year-long military confrontation. And apart from this friends, you must have observed that last time we had the confrontation with the Chinese, direct confrontation, and that's why there is just some threat, a security threat has been emerged in front of our army and all the parts of the forces like defense forces like Air Force, Army and Navy. So this is the you can call this is a united or a integrated initiative taken by our army. Fine. And here further I'm gonna let you know friends, that's tactical military lessons learned from the ongoing Russia-Ukraine conflict. If you must have heard about the Russia and Ukraine conflict. There is a huge you can call humanitarian crisis emerged, and what is the conditions arised on the ground, you know very well. I think I don't need to describe all conditions. Fine. You already know that. Fine. So that's the reason in wake of that conditions, that global condition. And apart from this, if we are going to purchase Russia origin military hardware or military equipments, there are some sanctions imposed on the Russia. In case if we are gonna purchase constantly the military hardware and the military equipments, so we also come under a dangerous condition or under sanctions. So that's why these are some defense initiative. That's why our government has been thinking continuously in these directions, and hopefully this initiative will be very beneficial for ourselves, and further it will boost of our security and our defense capability or defense capacity potential, right? Everything would be boosted up. Fine. So these are the news which I deliver. One more interesting point I'm gonna add over here, friends, that on the e-vehicles front, the army has conducted a study on induction of such vehicles, beginning with headquarters in peace station. Apart from this, these kind of I'm gonna let what I mean to say here, friends, that these kind of e-vehicles for army which is gonna install for army, these would be installed across the India, wherever we have the cantonments or peace installations or any other security installations we have. Everywhere we are planning to install or use these kind of vehicles, because they are further decrease the fossil fuel use, and they do not use like direct energy like fossil fuels, coal and gas. So that's why they are very helpful in making global a better place to live, or they will help out to overcome the problem of carbon emission. So these all are the concerns, and of course there is a technology point of view also. This is very nice news, very good news. So hopefully, friends, you must have enjoyed this little lecture, little session regarding the defense perspective. And if you really like this video today, if you find it really helpful, then please like our page, and do not forget our page to your friend circle. And that's all for now. I hope again you must have enjoyed this little lecture, and thanks for watching this video. Thanks for tuning. I'll see you next time. Till then, bye. Thank you.